Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. In the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. The year 2026 started very well, but not really going very well. Stock specific hammering continues. Just the beginning of this year, ITC, there was some bad news and ITC fell 10% on one day, the 5% on the next day, a total of 15% in two trading sessions. And after 1 or 2 days, it has fallen another 2 to 3%, a total of 18% fall from the beginning of this year. Yesterday, what happened? HDFC Bank and Infosys both fell more than 2%. Infosys, nobody knows why it fell, but HDFC Bank, because of the quarterly business outlook, was not good. Then, ITC alone contributed for more than 100-point fall in Nifty on the first 2 days. And yesterday, HDFC Bank and Infosys alone contributed for more than 100-point fall for Nifty yesterday. And today, it looks like a climax. Reliance alone contributed more than 100 points. And Reliance and HDFC Bank together, they contributed about 155-point fall for Nifty today. But despite that, Nifty did not close much lower. And taken together, these four stocks in the last 4 days, the Nifty fall responsible was about 350 points. But despite that, Nifty did not fall that much because of other stocks. Say for example, it is only HDFC Bank is falling, but today the index was very well managed by ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank and Axis Bank also and State Bank also. And today the Reliance fall of nearly 5%. Nobody is expected. There are many reports are going around. One, there's some foreign brokerage is having less weightage for Reliance, removing from their model portfolio. And another one, there was a report in Bloomberg that there are 3 vessels carrying Russian oil heading towards Reliance Industries, refinery at Jamnagar in Gujarat. And although the company has denied it, but the rumor is enough to bring the markets down. That too, especially this rumor is coming the day after Trump threatening higher tariff against India because of the Russian crude oil. So overall, market is trying to go higher, but these individual stocks, ITC, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Reliance, alone contributing for about 350-point fall. What could be the probable reason? In fact, FII selling was also not there for the last 2 trading sessions. So this means that, the people, at least some informed people, do not want the market to be significantly higher ahead of the budget. As I always say, only the crying baby get the chocolates. So if you stop crying before the budget, so Nirmala ji is not likely to give any chocolate. So probably that could be the reason. So anyway, 1 week out of 4 weeks is over in Jan series. And remember, 1 day is a public holiday. So we still have only 14 more trading sessions in Jan series. Markets are not going anywhere. Today, the market took support at Friday's low. Last Friday's low, last Thursday's low is almost the same. Today, Nifty went very close to that. And then there was some kind of a recovery. So, as I always say, amateurs open the market, professionals close the market. So yesterday also amateurs tried to open the market higher, and but closing was significantly lower, and today also. Anyway, today the weekly expiry is over, so we will see the next week how the things are going to be built up. But I still maintain the view 25,500 to 26,500 until the end of January, until the last 5 days of high is taken out. So for the next week, so it's very important to watch the last 5 days high as well as last 5 days low. So only then market can make a directional move. This is confusing. The overall market is bullish. FIIs are not really bearish, but stock specific hammering taking the markets down. So next week, means the following week, the action may begin in IT stocks. So because, IT stocks set to declare results from next week. So otherwise, there is nothing much to discuss today. So it was a silent market. If you take out these few index heavyweights, the volatility index started coming down slightly. So there is some positive sign. So let us see what is going to happen. We'll see tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. Nowadays, I don't do pre-market report. We'll see tomorrow evening. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.